So here's our 3 basic ingredients you're going to need. I've got this mango pulp, and it's a big giant tin of mango pulp. You can usually get this from like your local South Asian supermarket, or like any supermarket. Like go to the World Foods aisle and go to the South Asian food section or the Indian food section, and it should be right there. I actually got this one from Asda, and it's Sweetened. So something similar to this, it doesn't have to be this brand. I've got this tub of vanilla ice cream, and we're going to use about half of that. So we're going to use half of the ice cream, half of this tin of mango pulp. We're going to add a little bit of milk, however much we require. I can't forget to show you my mason jar, which I am still obsessed with. It takes 2 to mango. So cute, and I love having my mango lassi in this. Okay, so it doesn't really matter what order you put in the pulp, the mango pulp and the ice cream. I'm just going to pour in half of this tin of mango pulp. I'm just using a blender in case you couldn't tell what this is. That looks about right, and that's about, let's look at the measurements on here. It's about 400 milliliters. Then I'm going to add half the tub of ice cream. So that's about a litre. I'm just pouring in about, I don't know, about half a cup of milk, just so it's not too thick. You can always add more once you've blended. Put the lid on. So that's blended beautifully so far. I'm gonna just add some more milk and make it up to this mark here. It really depends on how thick you want it. Blend it again. So lovely and fluffy looking, mashallah. Check that beauty out there. And now it's time to pour it into this gorgeous jar. Look at it, guys, look. And let's go and taste it. Yay!